Welcome. In this video, we will discuss very important topic, that is variables. During programming, we deal with lot of values, but then how we identify these values? For that, we use variables. Variables are nothing but names of values or data in Python, and these names are called variables. For example, a equals to 5. Here a is name of the value 5, and whenever we want to refer to value 5, we just need to use its name, which is known as variable name. There are few important points to note about variable. First is that variable names are case sensitive. That means upper and lower letters in names make different variables. For example, small a equals to 5 and capital A equals to 6 are two different variables and are not considered same in programming. Secondly, a variable must be assigned a value before using it in the program. Otherwise, error, name of variable not defined, will occur. Also, it is worth mentioning that variable naming rules are same as identifiers, because variables are also identifiers. In Python, variables are tags of values. Let us understand this concept with the help of an example. Consider a Python code a equals to 5, b equals to 6, b equals to 7. Now let's see what will happen. When you execute a equals to 5, a space in computer memory will be filled with integer value 5 and a tag a is attached to it. And when b equals to 6 executes, then a tag b is also attached to that memory location, which is holding value 6. But when b equals to 7 executes, a new memory is filled with integer value 7 and the earlier tag from value 6 will be removed and assigned to 7. And then there will be no reference to the memory location holding value 6. And Python memory management will take care of it. If you assign a equals to 5 and then a equals to hello, will it be okay? Yes, it will be alright, because Python is dynamically typed language, which means a value have data type, for example integer, float, list, etc. But variables are just reference to that value, and due to that a variable can refer to an integer value and then you can also assign a string value to that variable. So it is not necessary that a variable which initially referred to an integer value will only refer to integer value. In our example, 5 is of type integer and hello is of type string, but not variable a. Here a is just a variable which refers to a value and it can be any value of any type. Since variable reference to a value can change during execution of the program, or in other words, value which variable referred to can change, that is why we call them variables. Now, I will explain a formal definition of a variable. In simple language, value 5 will be called value of type integer. But in Python, we will say object of class integer. Screenshot is for reference, in which when we used 5 with type function, it results in class int, means the value 5 is object of class integer. Similarly, hello will be an object of class string and true will be an object of class boolean. And variable is name referring to these values. So formally, we will say variables are names which refer to the objects in memory. That's all for now. See you in the next video.